This 2014 Wing is the single most powerful one in all of Texas. And today, I'm going to show you guys exactly what that comes down to.
So this is a F56 2014 Mini Cooper S. It has all the little bolts and features. It has a 4-mount intercooler from AirTech, Beltec downpipe, and it has just Cody Pro exhaust, and it just looks a really cheap intake. But this right now is doing 260 to the wheels and 320 torque to the wheels with just the 93 map for like daily use. And it has another map for 110 octane for 280 horsepower to the wheels and 340 torque to the wheels. And we have a different tune for like a different stage. So we have another one for 250 torque as well. And that's pretty much it on the parts. I mean, it's pretty much full match on it. It's weird. I mean, it's pretty cool because I mean you don't really see minis out here doing this much horsepower, and especially if you land next to somebody who next to the Mini Cooper to compete with theirs or not, to completely take over that car. So I had this car for a full year and a few months before I started doing stuff. I mean, I had a few little off the shelf kind of things, but I didn't really think much of a difference. And then after I got out of school, that's when I started putting some money into it.
Getting started. I'm Tony Nguyen from IAutowork. We specialize in vehicles here in Arlington, Texas. Johnathan here came to us looking to do a little bit more to his car. He did quite a bit of cosmetic work. He did an intercooler install himself and built him a custom tune. So we did a Wiltec downpipe. He has the AirTech intercooler on there, on pump gas and race gas. Possibly the most powerful F-Series chassis really in Texas. Possibly even around surrounding states. The next process we're going to be working on is probably the drivetrain. After the drivetrain, we're going to be working on the engine bit. Hopefully, all those numbers are a little bit more.
Oh yeah, I could see why that would get it kicked out. Jeez.
So yeah, it does attract a lot of people once it starts going. So.
Oh, I'm sure. Plus, I mean, it's just the black paint, so it kind of looks subtle until then.
Yeah. And it is on BC coilover, so it is a lot stiffer and has power flex bushings in the whole front end.
Jesus. It sounds like a supercar doing all those pops.
Right.
This thing has just got to be a ton of fun, dude.
Yeah. So right now this is on 93 man. Like I'm not maxed out, so it's tuned down for like daily use.
Right.
Especially since I can run pump gas when it's tuned up. Start thinking.
Jeez.
But on 93 it does all this insufficient.
Yeah, might as well point, just daily tune.
I think it's a little too high. It doesn't pop, but it cools down really quick. So
Yeah. Sounded like a rally car almost. Probably just gave that C over there a heart attack. You saw it? Lowered and like crazy rap and everything. Yeah. It's pretty crazy sounding MIDI, I gotta agree. If you want to follow this build, this is the account on Instagram. I'd highly suggest following it because this is gonna be crazy. That was the single most powerful Mini Cooper in all of Texas. And what an insane car. If you guys liked this video and want me to keep making content like this, drop a like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.